The thing that the employees want the most is actually your time. They want your time and attention and your coaching to give them insights into how they can become better. That's the number one thing that employees want. Time, your time.
Yeah.
It's not a money thing.
Sometimes just taking them out to lunch. Sometimes just a note of appreciation, acknowledgement that, hey, I heard or I saw, I'm aware,
right?
You know, and you matter, and the work that you do matters, and your family matters, and sometimes even just a note, you know, to the significant other at home. Hey, I mean, we're all coming through a summer season right now. In some areas of the country, it was blistering hot, right? And these guys were tapped out. Right. How about some notes home of appreciation, movie tickets, you know, coupons for the ice cream shop or something like that, to say, you know, please go out and have dinner, you know, on us, and, you know, just want to, you know, say thank you for the time that you allowed your significant other to sacrifice to be with us and take care of the families that we serve. And please, you know, don't think that it for a minute does not go unacknowledged or appreciated.
That stuff feels so good. We talked about it earlier today. People just want to be understood and appreciated. And like you guys, I travel a lot. The last 3 or 4 or 5 years, about 200,000 miles a year. And I was on a trip recently, and I opened my suitcase, and there was an envelope there, a little note from my wife. And just said, I just appreciate the hard work that you do. You know, I mean, that like meant the world to me. Just like, you know, big badass tough guys, right? We just want a little appreciation too. Just a little being noticed. It's amazing how far that stuff can go.
It is amazing, yeah.